In this presentation, I'm going to show you some of the benefits your guest speakers can enjoy from featuring on your virtual summit. I understand the fact that it can be tasking trying to convince a speaker to attend your virtual summit. Many of them believe they're doing you a favor, and there's only little they can benefit from you. The truth is, that's entirely false. You cannot afford to have that sort of mentality because it holds no water. There are many benefits a speaker can enjoy for featuring on your virtual summit. Before I delve into them, I need to list challenges you'll likely face when you invite speakers, especially when you have no list. The biggest challenges you'll most likely face are: how to find the speakers for your summit, how to invite big-name speakers, how to get your speakers to accept your invitation when you don't have an existing relationship, and how to get your speakers to invite their lists even when you don't have one. All the hurdles listed must be overcome before you can convince your speakers. All you have to do is point out what's in it for them. It's natural for humans to act based on activities that are profitable for them. 1. They have access to a broader audience. Don't forget that apart from the advertisement you expect your speakers to do on your behalf, you must have put plans in place in regards to promotion. It means that people who might not even know your speakers will attend your virtual summit. Therefore, there's a guarantee that your speakers will get to meet more people. It's even better if some of the audience belongs to a complementary niche. It opens doors to a new market for the speaker. 2. Speakers can grow their email list. Let your speakers know that their email list can be increased through the virtual summit. Speakers do a bit of marketing for themselves during interviews. They mention their website links. If an audience finds them interesting enough, such an audience will log on to the website and subscribe to newsletters. That way, the email list grows. 3. Speaking enhances knowledge and confidence. The bulk of giving out information is on the speakers. Therefore, they need to be prepared for the summit. They read different articles and journals to enrich their knowledge. It gives them confidence while speaking to an audience. Even better, what they have learned becomes part of them for life. Many people will regard them as an authority in their niche, and their credibility rating increases. 4. They can make additional income. There are occasions when you offer to give your speakers money as a form of recompense. Also, speakers act as affiliates when promoting the virtual summit. They can make additional income through affiliate marketing. And that's not all. When you offer an all-access pass to people for the quality contents put together, you have to pay your speakers a form of commission. Even if there's no commission plan in place, speakers can upload the content on their website and monetize it. 5. It opens doors to more speaking opportunities. When you display your speaking prowess and convince others that you have a wealth of speaking, it opens doors to more speaking opportunities. Anyone organizing a speaking event would instead invite a tested and trusted speaker. If an attendee deems you worthy, he or she can ask you to speak in another function. 6. Your editorial calendar gets busy. The joy of every content creator is having a busy calendar. It is why the average content creator would instead write for blogs as a guest. A speaking event is a great way to fill an editorial calendar. Through the event, a speaker can get more opportunities for other speaking events. The calendar grows. 7. It is an opportunity to network. Influencers never reject opportunities to meet new people. A virtual summit is an opportunity to meet new people. Influencers see everyone as potential clients. Through the summit, they can intimate others on what they do and how they can help them. A virtual summit is a great way to reach out to others and increase network reach.